parent wants to do their best for their children. But are parents able to do so? Do you wonder what is preventing us from keeping our children happy all the time? It is the reactive nature of parents which not only adds stress to parents but also makes kids unhappy. When a parent remains calm, thinks and then responds, everyone can become smart parents. Let's explore these 5 interesting mindful parenting hacks that can help handle kids in a stress-free way. Number 1. Limit mobile phone usage. Normal parent keeps saying, don't use mobile for a long time. Mobile is not good for eyes. Children are so addicted that they can't resist watching screens. A smart parent simply locks the mobile phone with a secret password and says, mobile is not meant for children. Same can be applied to television. Smart parent just hides the TV remote. This will not only save kids' eyes, but also helps kids explore other ways to engage time, building creativity. Number 2. Appreciate. Normal parent keeps finding faults. You always spill while eating. You are a slow eater. When children keep hearing these negative statements, they tend to become whatever they hear. Smart parents appreciate what the child does, encouraging kids to do better. I see you have spilled less food than yesterday, and I know you are getting more careful. The child not only feels better listening to this, but also genuinely tries to be careful. Number 3. Never compare siblings. Normal parents compare between siblings. They ask their kids, let's see who eats faster, Akshay or Anidya. This will induce sibling conflict. Sometimes parents keep repeating in auto mode, Akshay, eat fast. But a smart parent always encourages team spirit among siblings by saying, let's see who eats faster, siblings team or parents team. This can be applied to a single kid as well. Let's see what can be done faster, Akshay's homework or mommy's cooking. Number 4. Focus on the result. Normal parents focus on what is already done. Who put the bedsheet on the floor? How many times should I tell you? This doesn't teach kids what needs to be done. A smart parent focuses on the result and says, Akshay, would you put the bed sheets on the bed and use this playmat instead next time? Number 5. Use consequence. Normal parents use yelling to make kids do their tasks. Clean your room now or else you will get a punishment. When kids are threatened, it affects their healthy brain development. Instead, a smart parent keeps calm and encourages child to complete tasks with self-interest. Let's go to park once cleanup is done. You will get more time in park if cleanup is done earlier. Or in a fun tone, do you want to clean up now? Or shall I put these unwanted things in the dustbin? This can even turn into a game where a parent slowly picks a toy to put it in the dustbin and the kid comes chasing to get the item back. Or we can even trade kids to do more tasks to give back the picked up toy. Stress-free parenting requires proper communication of home rules, mindfulness, determination, patience, and lots of love from parents. Children remember how parents made them feel rather than what degree a parent holds or how much a parent earns. So spend quality time with kids every single day and convert together moments into memories. Happy parenting!